What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, for today's figure, we'll be showcasing Nico Robin from Portrait of Pirates Sailing Again series by Mega House. So before I talk about her, I just want to place a big spoiler warning here because I will be talking about some stuff that some viewers might not know about Nico Robin yet. So you've been warned. So Nico Robin, or the Devil Child, is the archaeologist of the Straw Hat Pirates from One Piece, and she is the 7th member of the crew, the 6th member to join. So currently, she is the only person in the world of One Piece that is able to read and decipher the poneglyphs, which is why the world government is after her. Aside from that, at a very young age, she also ate the hanhanami, or the flower fruit, which makes her able to produce her body parts on any surface, and post time skip, she is also able to produce bones. So I got this figure last January when our family went to Japan. I got this at a second-hand manga and anime store called Mandarake or Mandarake, not sure. And I got it for around 7,500 yen, if I recall correctly, which is around 3,000 pesos, give or take. So she's one of my two favorite characters from One Piece, the other one being Trafalgar Law. And what I really like about her is that she's very smart and she's very deadly as well. So her power is very interesting in a way that I haven't really seen any power like hers in any other manga or anime. So if you're a One Piece fan, make sure to leave a comment telling me who your favorite One Piece character is, because I'd love to know. Originally, I wasn't really looking for this specific figure when I was visiting Japan. I got the Trafalgar Law first, and when I saw that it would look really lonely being the only figure that I bought, I decided to get Nico Robin as well. But I was searching for the Nico Robin version where she was wearing her costume from Dressrosa. But this costume has started growing on me, and I think I prefer this costume more. Let me start by showing you the box. So at the front of the box, you can see that there is this big portrait or window that lets you see the inside of the box even before you open it. As for the design on the front of the box, we have a picture of the model itself at the bottom left, and then the name and the series of the model here at the center, which is Nico Robin, Portrait of Pirates, Sailing Again series. And we have the P.O.P logo here, as well as the One Piece logo right here, and it's part of the Excellent Model series. So this figure has a scale of 1/8. For the side of the box, we have again a portrait to the inside of the box, as well as the picture of the figure here at the bottom. That goes for the other side as well, and for the top as well. Nothing too special at the bottom. So let's open this. ASMR.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Right, so given that it is a second-hand figure, when I got the box it already had some damage on it. But given that I'm not really very meticulous when it comes to packaging, I didn't really mind. So for the inside, we have slots for the 2 extra appendages aside from the one the figure has, and we have some slots for the sunglasses as well, and the space here for the stand of the figure, just this one. For the figure, as I said earlier, this version of Nico Robin is wearing the costume that she wore when she debuted after the 2-year time skip at the reunion of the Straw Hat Pirates. When she has her sunglasses on, she reminds me of a spider, which is I think what they were aiming for. I'll show you the close-up of the figure as well as some sample shots in the next part of this video, so I hope you enjoy. Alright, so here we have the P.O.P sailing like a Nico Robin figure, and it doesn't really offer a lot in articulation since it only has 2 sets of arms, and both of those arms aren't movable. So alright, so to be able to remove the arms, you just need to pull them out of their sockets like this. Push pull, and this one is a bit harder to pull. You can remove the shades as well. So to replace the arms, just get the extra arms, and each arm has a different sort of slot, so you know where to put it. So for the right arm, it has a smaller sort of knob, while the left arm has a bigger one. So pretty easy to place. You just need to insert it there. You just need to insert it there. You just need to fit onto the appropriate slot there. So the entire figure is made entirely out of plastic, but the details are pretty good as well as the paint job, so it looks pretty good, very One Piece like. So to remove her from her stand, you just need to pull her out of it. She can't really stand on her own without her stand, so you need to lean her on something. Also made out of plastic. That's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions regarding Mandarake or any second-hand stores in Japan, or if you have any questions about the figure, or if you have any suggestions regarding my video, feel free to leave a comment. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and to share it to any of the One Piece fans you know. For the next video, I'll be showing you an Android figure of Kakashi from Naruto, or Mukuro Rokudo from Hitman Reborn, which is my all-time favorite series. So if you have any preferences, leave a comment and I'll make sure to adjust based on what you guys want. Thank you, bye!
Clutch!